So EurOBIS is the European node of the Ocean Biodiversity Information System, OBIS. EurOBIS collects marine biological data, occurrences of different species in European waters and also outside European waters by European researchers. And in Blue Cloud, EurOBIS is one of the data infrastructures. So the data that we hold in EurOBIS and EMODnet Biology is available through the Blue Cloud. So that means that if scientists or people that want to use the data in EurOBIS can directly access the data through the Blue Cloud VRE. And for example, EurOBIS data is an important data source for different demonstrators, for example, the demonstrators on zooplankton and phytoplankton, essential ocean variables.
Our demonstrator is very useful to understand the current state of plankton communities and also for forecasting their evolution. So there are different target users. For instance, we have researchers and modelers that can use the inputs and outputs of the demonstrator to and reveal the environmental conditions and factors that drive plankton ecology. We have also fisheries scientists that could use the outputs of the demonstrators to assess the food availability for the fish stocks. And finally, marine policy officers can also use the results of the demonstrator for plankton indicators and also for making decisions and to be used in strategies like the European Biodiversity Strategy 2030.